Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I hope you are fine. I am also fine. In this video I'm gonna show different unique and stylish paper decoration ideas. It is very beautiful and amazing. You can make easily at home for different paper decoration ideas. You guys know it's Valentine's Day and you can make different gifts for your friends, and you can make different gifts for your partner, your wife and your girlfriend. So you can make different Valentine's Day art for paper decoration ideas. It is very unique and stylish and I hope you like it. Then you like it, so please like my video, share my video and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Please share your friends and family members. So Allah Hafiz, take care, bye, see you soon.